Welcome back, my dear students, to my channel Civil Knowledge. So today in this session, we are going to see, or we are going to take out the quantities, or we are going to estimate the quantities of the following items of a residential building from the given drawing. Okay. So today we will see a pure residential building. Okay. So we will estimate the quantities for which they have given. Okay. So first one is what we have to find the quantities for earthwork in excavation in foundation, lime concrete in foundation, first class brickwork in 1:6 cement, sand, mortar in foundation and plinth, 2.5 centimeter dam proof course, and first class brickwork in lime mortar in structure in superstructure. Okay. So till now, what we have did a two-room building, single room building, and also a foundation. Now, so we are coming to a real problem, that is for estimation of a residential building. First, we have to excavate. Okay, it is a foundation building. Okay, it is a foundation building. What is foundation building? Where the walls are taking the loads. Here, walls will be taking the loads. Okay, load bearing walls we will tell. So, earthwork in excavation and foundation, how much we need to excavate. So, how much we need to excavate? First, quantity we have to calculate. Then, lime concrete, we have to put lime concrete in foundation. Then, first class brickwork in 1:6 cement, 1:6 cement, sand, mortar in foundation and plinth. So, then up to plinth, we have to put brickwork is necessary. Okay. Then, after brickwork, 2.5 centimeter damp proof course. Okay, then first class brickwork in lime mortar and superstructure. So these five work we need to do now. First we will see the diagram. Okay, so this is the residential building plan. Okay, so what are all the components we will see one by one. So once we see the diagram, okay, you should see the diagram very carefully. So what are all the components you can see? So we can see what wall is there. So this is a plan, means they are directly telling us the wall plan, the floor plan, you can tell. Okay, so this is what 30 centimeter wall. See here, this is 30 centimeter wall. Okay, here somewhere we are getting what, this is 20 centimeter wall. So two types of walls are there, 30 centimeter wall, 20 centimeter wall in a single residential building. Fine. Okay, then which method we are following? Long wall and short wall method. So if I take long wall like this, if I take long wall like this, so I will get 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter, both the width of the wall I'll get, and it will be very cubous. Okay, then it will be difficult. Or if I take this as long wall, means here also interaction is there with the 20 centimeter wall. Okay, so because of this problem, what I'll do, I'll divide this whole building into four parts. What is that? So first part what I'll take, see, as you are seeing the first part, this drawing and bedroom I'll take. Okay, so this one is the first part which I am going to take, that is this drawing room. Okay, I'll take this drawing room as a first. So this is one unit. So whenever I go, where whatever the heading, let it be, see a heading, what is that? Earthwork in excavation in foundation. So first earthwork in excavation in foundation, this this I'll write. Then after that what I'll tell, I'll write a. Okay, and I'll write drawing plus bedroom, this one. Okay, under that, what is that, what is the long wall and what is the short wall. Okay, I'll divide it and I'll make on the, I'll proceed in the problem. Okay, next part what I'll do, next part is this one, two bedrooms I'll take. Okay, so this is the second one, that is two right side bedroom. Okay, then he, so this quantity, what is the long wall, what is the short wall, in this one, what is the long wall, what is the short wall, like this. Next, I'll take this one as the third. Okay, so I'll take this as a front veranda. Okay, this was the third unit. Next, I'll take this one as the fourth one. That is back veranda. Okay, including the bath. So I divided the whole residential building into four parts. What is that? Drawing plus bedroom, two right side bedroom, veranda, front veranda, back veranda including the bath. Okay. So next what we need to do? We need to find the center to center length of long wall for each item. Okay. For one item we have to find what is the long center to center length of long wall and what is the center to center length of short wall. Okay. For each one here also what is the center to center length of long wall and short wall. Here also for 3, what is the center to center of long wall? What is the center to center of short wall? Here also, what is the center to center of long wall and what is the center to center of short wall? Every length we have to calculate first. Okay, okay. Then I divided it into 4. Then what are all we can see? We can see different types of doors are there. See here D1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so you have D1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 type of D1 door is there. Okay, D1 door. What is the measurement? That is 1.20 meter into 2.10 meter is the D1. Then we have another type of door. We require every detail. Okay, so D2 is there. Next, where D2 is there, two types of D2 door is there, and also one type of D3 door is there. Yeah, D3 is okay. So and also shelves we have one shelf, two shelf, three shelf, four shelf, and five shelves. Five shelves are there. Okay. So then pillars are there 40 centimeter, 20 centimeter, one, two, three, four. So four pillars are there, and that four pillars are on the 20 centimeter wall. Okay, four pillars are on the 20 centimeter wall. Correct. So, so we got all the doors and windows. Next, we will go to the cross section. See, this is the cross section for 30 centimeter wall. Okay, so this is the cross section for 20 centimeter wall. Okay, so cross section of this veranda wall here they have taken cross section of main walls. This one main walls in the sense it is wall of 30 centimeter. Okay, and here veranda wall means it is of 20 centimeter. Fine, and the level of foundation. See here, here when we are excavating for main wall, what is the height of the trench? Okay, see here, what is the height? 30 plus 20, 50. Okay, here from till here. Okay, so here, see here, up to this much. 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 50, 100. So 30, 20, 50 plus 20 plus 30, 50 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. It is what? 100 centimeter of depth is there for main wall. What about here? It is 20 plus 20 plus 10, I think so. It is 50. Okay, so 50 centimeter trench is for the veranda wall. Okay, we will see while we are doing the problem now. We will see one by one what is the length and what is the height of the trench. So everything which is given in the diagram only. Okay, so wherever we need to excavate, we need to take this height as I already told you. Okay, so here see this ground level and this ground level are same. Okay, so at the level of so ground level is same, but here the height of the trench will be different. So it is 50 centimeter, it is 100 centimeter. Keep this in mind. Fine. Next windows are there W1, W2, W3. Three types of windows are there. So all W1 is there, W1, and here W3 window is there. then W2 window is there. So three types of windows are there. The respected measurements are also given here. Okay, so every detail they have given, and also the details of the foundation they have given. See here. So lime concrete for main walls is what, 90 centimeter. Okay, 0.9 meter we can tell. What is the width of the lime concrete for foundation? It is 90 centimeter. What about here? It is 60 centimeter. Okay, so for first footing it is what, 60 centimeter. Second footing 50 centimeter. Okay, so this 50 centimeter, it will come to this one, 20 centimeter level. Okay, when we take level at the 50 centimeter of the main wall, we can get the foundation for the 20 centimeter wall, veranda wall. Okay, so I'll tell you. Okay, so this is the information or they have given us. Okay, if they ask for the number of steps and all, we could have done this, but they have not asked it. Okay, so whatever in the question, we will discuss about that. So all walls of drawing rooms and bedrooms in have section, bathroom will also have all the similar sections. So sections are same. So we'll continue to the problem. We'll go to the solutions now. So what we want center to center length of walls. Okay. So see, for estimating, it is convenient to find the center to center length of different wall first. The center to center length of different walls have been worked out below. See here, first one, whichever I told, that is drawing and left hand side bedroom combined. Okay, which one they are telling? Okay, drawing and left side bedroom. Okay, here. So drawing and left hand side bedroom is there. Okay, so this one I have told you, no, first one, this is drawing and left hand side bedroom. So what is that? We have to consider center to center length of long walls and center to center length of short walls. So when we consider this only, you should see only this. Okay, only this you see. So now tell me. Okay, now tell me the length. Okay, so this one, whole quantity, drawing and bedroom. What is the long wall? Obviously, this is the long wall. Okay, and this is the short wall. Now we have to get the center to center length. What is that? So I'll take first this length. Okay, this is x and this is y. Okay, the first unit will give what? Width, and y will give the height. Okay, height in the sense y direction. Okay, so what I want, center to center length of long wall, that is what, 6 plus 4, 10 iota. So 6 plus 4 is 10, plus this is 30 centimeter wall, so 0.3 plus. So here I want, I don't want this fully, I want a half. Okay, so here also I want half because I want center length. Okay, so what is that? 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. Okay, so center to center length of this long wall, what we can write, 6 plus 4 plus 0.3. So this 6 plus 4 plus 0.3 is this wall. Okay, plus I want up to center, I want up to center. Okay, so that is 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. Okay, so 6 plus 4 is 10, 10.3 is 10.3 plus 0.3 by 2, 0.3 by 2 is nothing but 0.3, that is 10.6 is the center to center length of the long wall. Clarified? Then short wall. What is this? 5 meter. So I don't want this only inner. I want from here center to center. What we can write? 5 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. So 5 plus 0.3 will be 5.3. Okay, this is also verified and this is also verified. So what we have done, we have calculated the center to center distance of long wall and short wall for drawing and bedroom. So this part is over now. Okay, this part is over. Now I'll take second part, that is bedroom right side. So this one. Okay, so I want the center to center length of long walls and center to center length of short wall. So when we consider this, what is the center long wall? So this one is the long wall in the x-axis, so this is the long, right? Okay, this is the long wall and this is the short wall. So I'll consider first the long wall. Okay, so what is the length? 5 plus 4, okay, plus zero point 0.3. So 5 plus 4 plus zero point 0.3. Okay, 5 plus 4 plus zero point 0.3, this one. Here what I want, half I want, here also half I want. So 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 9.3, 9.6. So 9.6 is the verified, right? Is the distance of center to center long wall, distance of two bedroom. Now we will see the short wall distance. So what is the short wall distance here? From this distance to this distance. So that is what? 4.5 plus zero point 0.3 by 2 plus zero point 0.3 by 2. Okay, 4.5 plus zero point 0.3 by 2 plus zero point 0.3 by 2. It is what? 4.80. Verified. Huh? Okay, 9.60 also verified. 4.80 also verified for bedroom right side. Okay, next. Next, what we can do? Next, we can concentrate here. That is front veranda. Okay, front veranda. So, what is the front veranda distance? This one, no, right? So, this is the long wall and this is the short wall. Okay, so the bedroom, what the length from here to here? Okay, the length from here to here will be same as that of the bedroom right side. What is that? 5 plus 4 plus zero point 0.3. Okay, plus, now here the wall distance is here, the wall distance is zero point 0.3 by 2, correct? Okay, and here the distance is 20 centimeter wall. But what we need center to center distance. We need center to center distance. See here, my dear students. Here, some trick you have to use. So concentrate here, my dear students. So I am drawing a curve which resembles this bedroom. Okay. So two bedroom. So this is the 30 centimeter wall. Okay. And this may be the vertical wall. Okay. So this is also 30 centimeter wall. This is also 30 centimeter wall, right? So here, see, in this bedroom section, okay, in this bedroom section, we already know that what is the center to center distance. That is center to center system of bedroom system is 9.60. So from here to here, from this center to this center, the value is 9.60. Okay, so this is bedroom part. It's 9.60. What we need here, we need the distance, center to center distance between from here, from this center to the center here. Okay, But here, this center, before that, what I'll do, I'll draw the 20 centimeter wall. For example, you take this is the 20 centimeter wall. Okay, so you have the 20 centimeter wall. So now see here, center of this 30 centimeter wall is different, and center of here, center of 30 centimeter is different issue, and center here is different. So when we come between 20 centimeter wall, so this is the from this center to this center we need to know. Okay, so by the figure you can tell that, so it is somewhat big. Okay, this is not 9.60, it will be more than 9.60. So what is the distance between this and this? Okay, what is the distance between the starting point of the 20 centimeter wall to the center of the 20 centimeter wall? So what is the distance? Okay, for that, how we can find out that? That is nothing but, so what we get, half, that is 0.3 by 2 minus 20 centimeter, no, 0.2 by 2 will give us the distance of this one. What is that? 0.3 by 2 divided by 0.2 by 2. I'll do it. So it is 0.3 by 2 means 0.15 minus 0.10. So it is what? 0.05. Okay, it is 0.05. So we can now estimate the length of the long wall. What is that? From here to center of 20 centimeter is what? 5 plus 4, that is 9, plus zero point 0.3, that is 0.3, plus this 0.3, this 0.3, both you add, that is 0.3 by 2. Okay, plus 0.3 by 2. Okay, next what we need to add? You need to add this product, that is zero point 0.3 by 2. Wait, see here, 5 plus 4. Okay, if you see here you will confuse here, so you only see this figure now. So what is the distance? So 5 plus 4 is 9, 9.3. 9.3 plus zero point 0.3 by 2 plus zero point 0.3 by 2. Okay, it becomes 9.6, plus we need the distance now, this one, that is zero point 0.3 by 2 minus zero point 2 by 2. What is that? 0.05. So if we do that, we will get the answer, that is 9.65. So the center to center length of the front veranda is 9.65. Okay, similarly for short wall, that is, so 2. Okay, so 2 plus, for 30 centimeter wall is what? 0.3 by 2. For 20 centimeter wall, here or directly, that is 0.2 by 2. Okay, for short wall, 2 plus 0.3 by 2 here, plus 0.2 by 2 here. So it is what? 2.25 is for front veranda, 9.65 for front veranda long wall. Okay, so next we will go to the back veranda wall. Okay, so the back veranda, see here, the back veranda will be same as for the front veranda. Okay, because this is also 20 centimeter wall, this is also 20 centimeter wall, this is also 20 centimeter wall. So what it depends, the difference is what? This 2.50, it is short wall distance, that is 2.50. So here you have 30 centimeter wall, so plus zero point 0.3 by 2, plus here you have 20 centimeter wall, so 0.2 by 2. So what is the answer you are getting? 2.75. Okay, 2.75 is the short wall length distance for back veranda. 9.65 is the long wall distance for back veranda including the bathroom. So up to this, what we have did, we have just calculated the distance, that is center to center distance of this full residential building. Okay, now full is considered. Okay, so now we will draw the details of measurement and calculation of quantities form. Okay, what is that? Item number, particular of items, number, length, breadth, height, quantity, and explanatory note. Okay, after this explanatory note, so here we will show how the length has been measured. Okay, so now first, what is the work we need to do? The first is excavation, right? We need to do excavation. Now, for that excavation, what we need? We need length. But here we have divided this residential building into four parts. Okay. So first part, what is that? Only we will select that only. Okay. Whatever will be the first part. So this is the first part, right? That is bedroom and drawing. So this is the first part. Concentrate only on this. Okay. You need to concentrate only on this. This is the first part, right? See. So in this, what is the long wall? So I'll take this as long wall. So we already took and we already calculated. This is the short wall, right? So what is the long wall? Center to center length of long wall? We got that is 10.60. Correct? So for this 10.60, what we are doing? We are excavating. So what is the sense? Excavating in the sense what? We are digging the soil from the earth. Okay. So how much we are digging? So we need height. Okay. We need width. Okay. That width and height, to know that, we need to see another diagram, which is that we need to see the cross section, right? See here, cross section. So, what is the width of the trench? Okay. So, if this is the ground, so how much we need to dig out of the soil? So, what is the width of the trench and what is the height of the trench? How this soil we need to what? We need to excavate out. Okay. The soil we need to excavate out. So, what is the size of the excavation? Okay, what is the quantity of excavation we need to do? Here we will calculate that. Okay, so what is the side? 90 centimeter is there. Okay, so what is the center to center length? What is the length of our center to center long wall is 10.60. Okay, plus we need this. Okay, we need from this center only. Okay, so this whole diagram you just imagine. Okay, my dear students, you just imagine this full area. Okay, so the plan which is given to is given at this section. Plan ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ 90 centimeter. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಟ್ 90 centimeter ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? See here. So 90 centimeter, right? So we know the length, that is 10.60, and we have the width of foundation is what? 0.9 centimeter. Okay. So here full width of the foundation will be there. That is what? 0.9 centimeter. Okay. So we need what? Here also we need center to center. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ foundation, so full foundation ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So we need from this center to this center. How to get that? That is 10.60 is the center to center length plus this side. Okay, this side, see this side about 0.9. Okay, we are adding here. Okay, 0.9 by 2 plus this side plus 0.9 by 2. So 10.60 plus 0.9 by 2 plus 0.9 by 2 is equal to what? 11.50, and it is the length of the earthwork excavation. Okay, so that 11.50. Okay, how many numbers of long walls are there? Two numbers. This one long wall and this is one long wall. So two numbers of long walls are there. Which are those? So this is the one, and this is the one. So two long walls are there. Okay, and it is at the wall level. We need to imagine at the foundation level. Okay, so this is the long wall. Yeah, and so center to center length, what is the length? That is 10.60 plus 0.9 by 2. Your plus 0.9 by 2 will get 11.50. Okay, now, so two numbers is there. What is the breadth? Breadth is, as I told you, okay, breadth is what? 0.9 by 2. Zero point 0.9 90 centimeter, that is 0.9 by 2. So what is the height? Okay, height or depth of the trench, or height or depth of the excavation. Okay, for this main wall, that is 30 centimeter wall, the trench height is what? This one, that is 30 plus 20 is 50, 50 plus 20 is 70, 70 plus 30 is 100. So 100 centimeter is the depth of the trench, or it is also called as 1 meter, 100 centimeter or 1 meter. This is what? The depth of the trench up to ground level. Okay, the depth of the trench is what? 1 meter. Okay, so multiply them, you will get the answer as 20.70. So this was about the long wall for the drawing and bedroom. Now we will see the short wall. Okay, now we will see the short wall. See, so in the long walls, we have excavated, okay, from here, okay, from here we have already excavated. So this part is already excavated, right? So 1 minute. So this part is excavated now. Okay, we need to excavate this part now. We need to excavate this part. Okay, so this part of the line with the pink is already excavated, and we need to excavate the blue line, right? So what is the center to center length of, so what is the center to center length of the wall? That is 5.30, right? For this bed tip we got as 5.30. This 5.30 is from where? From this center to this center, 5.30. But this part is already excavated. This little part at the junction is already excavated. See here, see here, see here. Okay, this part is already excavated here. So what we need to do? So we don't need this 0.9 by 2. Okay, we need that. So 5.30, this part is already excavated, that is minus 0.9 by 2 minus 0.9 by 2, because in the long wall section we already excavated this part. So that's why in the long wall we are adding plus 9 by 2 plus zero point 0.9 by 2 plus zero point 0.9 by 2. But in the short wall, because it's already excavated, we are subtracting that minus zero point 0.9 by 2 minus zero point 0.9 by 2 at the both sides. Okay, so this is the basic actually. That is what? 4.40. How many numbers of short walls are there? One. Okay, so we have 1, 2 and 3. Three number of short walls are there. So three numbers. Length is what? 4.40, breadth is 0.90, height 1. So multiply, you will get the quantity as 11.88. This is for drawing room and left bedroom. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Okay, so next we will see the two bedroom at the right side. Okay, so see it carefully. Okay, so if you have the book also, sometimes it won't get into your mind, you will not get understand. Okay, so see here. So we want now the long wall, right? So we have to concentrate on this. Okay, we have to concentrate on this type. But what I can tell you is, see here, this part is already been excavated. This part is already been excavated, and we need to concentrate on only this part. Okay, so that's why, see here, how many long walls are there? So one long wall, two long. So write the heading as the two bedrooms, right side both. Okay, write subheading as long walls. How many long walls? One long wall, two long wall, two long walls. Okay, so what is the length of the long wall? Center to center length, that is what we got, that is 9.60. Okay, so this is the center to center line length. Understand? This is the, from here center to center line length of this bedroom, center to center line length of this bedroom. But here, see here, this is, this part is already excavated, this part is already excavated, therefore what we are doing, so 9.60, that is 9.60 into center to center length. So minus this part is already excavated, so no need to consider it again. So what I am going to take, so minus 0.9 by 2. So why by 2? Because from the center we have to take. So 0.9 by 2. Here we are, it is subtracted because it is already been excavated. So it is subtracted, minus zero point 0.9 by 2. Next is, in this side we have to add, that is plus zero point 0.9 by 2. Okay. So I'll repeat again because it is very important. So what we need? We need the long wall length. Okay, so we need the long wall length. But what happened? We have already excavated this part here in this first method, that is drawing room and left bedroom. In that, while doing that, we have already excavated this part. Okay, we have already excavated this part. Okay, so now we know the length, we know the center line length. So here center line length, so from here center line length to this center line, what is the length? That is 9.60. Okay, if it is not there, what we have to do? We had to do 9.60. What is the section for that 30 centimeter main wall? That is zero point 0.9, right? So zero point 0.9 is the width. So 0.9 by 2 plus 0.9 by 2. We could have done this if it is separate. But it is a residential building. Okay. We can't do like that because it will be extra. Okay. It will be extra. That's why what we are doing. So 9.9.60. This side is already excavated. So I am subtracting that. What is that? Zero point 0.9 by 2 we are subtracting, but this side we need to add, but this side we need to add, that is 0 0.9 by 2. So 9.60 minus 0.9 by 2 plus 0.9 by 2, what is the answer? 9.60. So what is the width of the section? That is 0.9. Breadth, what is the height? 1 meter, same as the drawing room and left bedroom only. We are doing for the item number 1, that is earthwork only. So 1, so multiply them, you will get 17.28. Okay, you'll get 17.28. So next, so when we have assumed only, so both the long walls, right? So two long walls have been done. So what and all we have excavated here? So this is excavated, now this is excavated, and this is also excavated. Okay, so this is also excavated, that is long wall. So then what we need to excavate? We need to excavate for short wall. Okay, we need to excavate for short wall. So see here, from this how many numbers of short walls are there? One number, two numbers. So two numbers of short walls are there. Okay, so what is the height of the short wall? That is 4.5 plus 0.3 by 2, 0.3 by 2, that is 4.8. Okay, so from here to here 0.8. See here again, so the part here, it is already been excavated. So here it is already been excavated. See here, in the long wall section only, this part is already been excavated. Okay, I mean to say here, don't confuse, I write here. So this is the long wall, right? So this one wall. Okay, from here to here, this part is already been excavated and this part is already been excavated. So what is the height? That is 4.80. We have whatever we have added in the long wall, we have to deduct it, that is minus 0.9 by 2 minus 0.9 by 2. So here also minus 0.9 by 2 minus 0.9 by 2. What is happens? 4.80 minus 0.9 by 2 minus 0.9 by 2. What is your answer is 3.90. So 3.90 is the length, breadth is 0.9, height is 1. So quantity is 7.02, length is what? 3.90. When we multiply, quantity is 7.02. Okay, so this and all is over. Okay, now we will see the front veranda. Okay, we'll see the front veranda. So this all is over. This part is excavated, this part is also excavated, this part is also excavated now. Okay, so imagine in the foundation level, okay, we have been excavated this part. Now we have to excavate here the remaining part, we need to excavate. Okay, so we'll go to front veranda. So what is the length of the long wall? We need to just take consider, because it is already over here. So only one long wall is remaining. Okay, only one long wall is remaining, as this side long wall is already being considered in the bedroom right side. Okay, so only this long wall we need to calculate. So long wall, front long wall number is 1. Okay, so what is the center line length we got? 9.65, correct? The center line length what we got is 9.65. Wait here, this you shouldn't be confused. See here, what is the front line? Front veranda center line is 9.65. Okay, for this we need to add what? The width of the excavation. Okay, width of or breadth of the trench. Okay, breadth of the trench. So here 30 centimeter wall is there. So here 30 centimeter wall is there, here 20 centimeter wall is there. Okay, for 30 centimeter wall the section is different, for 20 centimeter wall the section is different. Okay, so for 30 centimeter wall the section is here for 30 centimeter wall. So here already it is been done. Okay, so in the long wall we need, here there is no necessity for consideration as in the bedroom. So my 9.65 minus, okay, it is already been excavated here. Okay, so minus 90 by, that is 0.9 by 2. Okay, minus 0.9 by 2, but here we need to consider, that is plus 0.6 by 0.6 by 2. So I will get what? 9.50. Now what is this 0.6 by 2? This is the section of the veranda wall. So I'll show you. This is the section of the veranda wall. See here. This is the section. If I do that, we'll move here. So see, this is the section of the veranda wall. The section of the veranda wall, for veranda wall, the width is 60 centimeter. That is 0.6. This 0.6 I am telling about. Okay, for the veranda wall it is 0.6 divided by 2. For main wall it is 0.9 divided by 2. Okay, and what is the height? Height is, for veranda wall we need to consider, what is that? 20 plus 20 plus 10, that is 50 centimeter. Okay, 50 centimeter or 0.5 meter we can take. Okay, so this will be the height or depth of the front long wall of the veranda wall. Okay, so I think it is clear now. So sections are very important. So what and all is over. So this part is over now. This part is over. Okay, so we were here. So here 30 centimeter wall. So it is already been excavated. So no need to take another time. So 9.65 minus 0.9 by 2 minus 0.9 by 2 here plus 0.6 by 2. It is for long wall. So what is the length? It is 9.50. Okay, 9.50. we have taken. What is the breadth? That is 60.6 meter. Okay, front long wall, so 20 centimeter wall. Okay, it is breadth is 0.60 meter. What is the height? 50 meter. Multiply, you will get 2.85. Okay, so this also excavation is over. So this front long wall is also, the excavation is over. What is remaining? This one is remaining. So we need to excavate this one. We need to excavate this one. Okay. So what is the short wall distance? Only one. So quantity is one. So what is the distance? It is 2 meter. Okay. So 2 meter. What is the length we have got? We have got the length as 2.25. So 2.25 is the center to center length of the short wall. Okay. So minus, okay, in the short wall we are deducting. So here also it is over, here also it is over. Excavating there also over, excavating here also over. So simply 2.25 minus 0.9 by 2 minus 0.6 by 2 will get answer as 1.50. So 1.50 is the length, breadth is 6.6, 0.5 is the height or depth as earlier same. So multiply, you will get the quantity. Okay, so hence the earthwork in excavation is like this. Okay, for front veranda. So up to here, front veranda is over. Now what and all is remaining? So back veranda is there, including the bath. Okay. So what and I'll mark again. So this portion of excavation is over. This portion of excavation is over now. So we are in the back veranda case. Okay. So we are in the back veranda. So here, so okay, put the heading as back veranda, and in the back veranda, the long wall. So this is already excavated, right? So we had two long walls, but already one is excavated. So what is remaining? So this long wall is remaining. So take it as, okay. Take it as one long wall. Okay, so one long wall. So what is the length we have got? 9.65 as the center to center length as 9.65. Okay, as we did in the front veranda wall, same thing. Okay, here 30 centimeter wall is there, so we already excavated that. We are not in need. That is minus 0.9 by 2. Okay, here 20 centimeter wall is there. We need to add the foundation width, that is 0.6 by 2. So what is your length? That is 9.50. So what is the breadth? 0.60, because this is also 20 centimeter wall, this is also 20 centimeter wall. What is the depth or height of the trench? That is 0.50 meter. So multiply, you will get 2.85. Okay, so once this is done, so excavation of this also over. Excavation of this also over. Okay, so now we need to do what? Short wall. So how many short walls are there? Two short walls are there. This one short wall, this one short wall. We need the distance from center to center length. Okay, center to center length of this short wall. Okay, so what is the length of center to center length of the short wall? We got there, that is 2.75. Okay, 2.75. Here 20 centimeter wall. Here 30 centimeter wall, here 20 centimeter wall. So we don't want both, okay, because it is already excavated. So 0.9 by 2, okay, minus 0.6 by 2. So what we will get? 2 meter. So 2 meter, 0.6, 0.50, that is 1.20. So your total quantity is 64.23 cubic meter. So now every excavation is done for your building. So now what we can tell, every part of the excavation is done. So like this, if you have seen the marking in the site level, so what I am telling you will understand. Okay, so this type, all the green, all the bluish is there, no, that's all is excavated. So excavation is done like this. So everywhere they will not dig out the soil simply. Wherever need, there only they will dig out. So now excavation part is over. Okay. So what is the breadth of the excavation? For 30 centimeter wall it is 0.9. For 30 centimeter wall it is 0.9, and for 20 centimeter wall that is 0.6. Okay. Excavation part is over. So the quantity of excavation is what? 64.23 cubic meter. Okay. So then for lime concrete, what we need, what will change? Only the height of the foundation, lime concrete foundation which they have given, that will change. Okay, in the next class I will show you that. Okay, so till now for this session this much is enough because it will go on lengthier. Okay, so the lime concrete part I will do in the next session. So hope you are understanding. So if you are not understanding, please comment it. Thank you, have a good day.